In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal account from Italy, whether you're looking to make international transactions easier or simply expand your online financial toolkit. Creating a PayPal account is a handy step forward. Let's walk through this simple process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to paypal.com/it/. You'll be taken to the homepage specifically for users in Italy. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign up prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and this will direct you to the sign up section where you'll begin creating your account. Next, you'll need to decide on the type of account you wish to open. Since we're focusing on personal transactions today, go ahead and select the personal account option. After that, click on Get Started to proceed. This will guide you to the registration form where you'll provide your personal details. Here, you'll fill in your first and last name, email address, and create a secure password. Remember, strong passwords contain a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters, so it's important to choose one that will help keep your account safe. Be sure to select Italy as your country from the drop-down menu, as this ensures you're using the correct settings for your location. The following step will ask for some additional details. You'll need to provide your full legal name, complete address, phone number, and any other required information. All the details need to be accurate and current to prevent any issues later on. Once that's done, you'll have the opportunity to link a bank account, debit card, or credit card to your PayPal account. This is a crucial step if you want to send or receive payments through PayPal, as it allows funds to flow in and out of your account seamlessly. At this point, PayPal might ask you to verify your account. Verification is often done by linking it to your bank or by providing additional information such as proof of identity. This process ensures that your PayPal account remains secure and that you are protected during transactions. Finally, you'll be prompted to review PayPal's terms and conditions. Take the time to read through them carefully. Once you're familiar and comfortable with these terms, click on Agree and Create Account. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your PayPal account in Italy. Keep in mind, PayPal allows you to explore various features, from making purchases to transferring money across borders. Now that you have your account ready, you're all set to enjoy the convenience and security PayPal provides for all your transaction needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made setting up your account a breeze.